Continuation of Chapter 9. Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was born to a Brahmin couple in Nagwa village of UP. He joined the British Army and got a salary of rupees 7 per month. Mangal Pandey was the first who refused to use Enfield rifle. Sergeant Major Hassan ordered for his arrest, but Mangal Pandey shot him and defeated another British officer also. Even Indian soldier refused to arrest Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey shot himself with his own rifle. A bleeding Mangal Pandey was taken to the hospital to get information about the revolt from him. But Britishers were failed to do this. He was hanged till death at 5:30 am on 8th April 1857 and became the first martyr of 1857 revolt. There were many heroes of the revolt like Mangal Pandey. Rani Lakshmi Bai and Begum Hazrat Mahal was another to name. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi, was a great warrior. When the British refused to accept her adopted son as the heir to the throne and tried to annex Jhansi, she joined the revolt. She had also prepared an army of women to fight against British. Even British officials appreciated her by saying that she was one of the greatest women leaders of the 1857 revolt. There were many leaders for the revolt of 1857. Few of them are here: Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope, Mangal Pandey, Kunwar Singh, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar. The last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah Zafar, had taken the leadership of revolt. He played an important role in uniting the Hindus and Muslims to stand against Britishers. In this image, we can see the main center of revolt of 1857. They were Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Jhansi, Awadh and Calcutta. The revolt had started on 10th May. By the end of June 1857, the British were able to regain control over Banaras and Allahabad. Kanpur was recaptured in July and Delhi in September. Causes of failure of revolt. Lack of awareness in the people about the revolt in the country. The revolt did not take place in South India, which means half of the country did not participate in the revolt. Narrow vision of the king of the local states were also one of the reasons. The objective of the revolt, like British, had to be driven away out of the country was not decided. The revolt did not take place in Bengal, where the Britishers had established their power initially. And last but not the least, the revolt did not started at the same time everywhere. Result of the revolt. Though the revolt was not successful, but it brought a new era of change. The company rule come to an end and India came under the direct rule of Crown. The interference in internal affairs of princely states was stopped. The British government was compelled to change its policy towards India. Salaries, allowances, and facilities given to the Indian soldiers were increased. The feeling of nationalism was evoked in Indians because of this revolution. Thus, the revolt of 1857, the first war of independence, was not although successful, but it taught a lesson to understand and realize the reason for its failure. The next leaders were ready with a clear objective. People were united. That's the reason today we are the citizen of a free country.